Mushrooms? Dying for some mushroom pizza.
Well,
want to make a store run?
we could.
Yeah, let's do that. Yeah, that'll give the video some more flavor. Yeah.
Sounds good,
Okay,
man.
cool.
Sounds good.
All right, cool.
Let's do this.
All right, let's do this. Are these guys European?
Yeah. This is like a Serbian rock. You want to?
Serbian rock? Fuck yeah!
He got me into skiing. I'm in the backpacking club as well. So we here in Arizona, you'll be surprised how many beautiful places are here.
Yeah.
And we were in Flagstaff. That's where we skied.
Shit, yeah.
And I met a girl. She's Korean, and we did like a road trip in Mexico.
Okay. Oh shit! What part?
Sonora. We did Bahia de Quino Bay, San Carlos, and Guaymas. So we slept in her van, you know. Through the town where we were, you would see a military truck,
right,
with a big machine guns,
right,
passing by. But you know that's Mexico. I mean,
yeah.
Mushrooms. So we have that.
You know,
nobody knows
exactly. He doesn't
what.
know.
Nobody knows you're there, and you're just there with that one person. That's it.
So have you ever seen that species of bird ever before or again? It was just on that deserted island.
Two I have, but the one I haven't.
So you saw something you've never seen in your life. That's the definition of traveling. Yeah, that's never before in your life.
Yes, and then we saw the graveyard of birds.
Graveyard?
Yeah, that's where they go and die.
Smokes.
And they're like.
So who buries them?
No. They just go there and they just die.
Okay, gotcha.
And just like
a makeshift graveyard.
Feel like
Beginning of June in Mexico?
Yep.
And you're sleeping in what kind of van was it? What kind of vehicle?
Like Toyota, big van.
Oh, okay, one of the Toyotas, those motorhome things.
No, it wasn't a motorhome.
Oh, like a Privia, like a Toyota Privia, one of those minivans?
Actually, it was like kind of similar to yours.
Okay. I know what you're talking about. It's probably the Privia that you're talking about. Because those don't have a lot of space, man. How did you, it was just you and her?
Yeah.
Wow.
Man. More of the herbs.
Herbs.
A little bit more. Good herbs, man. These are good for you.
Mm-hmm.
Like that, and just gonna wait until the butter melts. There on top.
Looks pretty good, man.
Let me get you the.
Pretty good. Yeah, that would help.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you did go a little bit liberal, conservative with the cheese, that's for sure.
Yeah.
But I mean, you know, it's all about nutrition, right?
Yeah.
Let the vegetables do
their, there's more,
know.
yeah. Usually I tend to put more cheese, I don't know, it's somehow this time. Every time it's different, I never make...
Every pizza's like snowflakes, they're unique, everyone's...
Yeah, this one is, you know... And I always do what I have. Sometimes I just have mushrooms and tomato and who knows what other vegetables. This time I have bell peppers and this. So.
Can you say the butter really adds something to it?
To me it does. To me it's like, I like it when it's a little bit like, just a little bit.
Yeah, so Milan, go on with the story. Arizona was chosen for you.
Yeah. See, the war was in Bosnia. So I was a refugee in Serbia, and there in capital of Serbia, in Belgrade, they had a U.S. government had something set up to bring some refugees. So you apply, and maybe like 3-4 families out of 100 get accepted.
Wow, and you were one of the 3 or the 4.
I was kind of
Wow.
And then they you know, they do the screening.
What's the criteria? How do you make it?
And you couldn't have been participating in the war. You couldn't have been fighting.
Couldn't have been in the war. Number one.
Like true fighting.
Right. That's number one. And like what other factors? Because 3 out of 100. Come on. I mean, what?
Yeah, and it's just a matter of luck. These are all refugee families.
Wow. So you're a lucky son of a gun, I guess.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Wow.
So
God bless you. God bless you.
Yeah,
Absolutely.
That was that, man. Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely.
And then once you spend 5 years here in Arizona, you can move. I just